If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia 1 on top channel UHF 57. We don't turn that gidigba with all of the action when they happen inside Nigerian political boxing ring to carry am search you for body so that you self go understand. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern anything political matter as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning our beautiful viewers. We don't carry that same program coming out Domot again. Yes, and then today's matter, wetin we dey look. Of course, a lot of us don't know wetin dey on. We don't get new ministers, and at least some of us feel don't know who they hold, which position, the portfolio where a particular person they hold. All these now things now wetin we go look. Now wetin we go do it in breakdown. Can't discuss them among ourselves on top of today's edition of As E Dey Hot. Yes, we will also open our phone line when that time reach for now to also contribute. May not bear in mind, say we get 3 solid telephone line for now, 1 toll-free line. Wetin be toll-free line? Toll-free line we say I go call, I go talk. In the end, the payment make na leave that one for us. On top of As E Dey Hot, the issue no go ever change. We go bring am sizzling, very hot, that hot level. My name never change. My name na Nkubi.
Everybody go mark November 11th, 2015 for their calendar. Sake of say, na historic day for the history of this our Obodo Nigeria. After so many months when we say we don't wait since May 29 when Oga Presido take the oath of office and oath of allegiance, many of us they talk say the people when go work with them from the machinery when they go use move this our country forward, we won't see them and we want people when we say their head correct and then qualify for the job. Oga Presido wearing recommended glass, doing research where can carry all the people when he believe say yes, in vision for Nigeria and the vision of him party. They go bring us so that everybody inside Obodo Nigeria go enjoy waiting be good governance. And yesterday, for inside the council chamber for the presidential villa, Oga Presido stand and all these ministers then come for in front 4 by 4, come talk say yes, so we don't ready to work with you. And the idea when we get now to move this our country forward. As it don't be now different thing I would see from waiting they happen before. Why? Because of say in the past, the government when we say just hand over to the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, we get 42 ministers, but now 36 we get. Our constitution state them clearly say because of the principle of federal character, every state must be represented. And Oga Presido don't look and say, okay, all these people from these different parts of the country, now then go work with me. Some people be in the talk say, shall we go get ministers when we get portfolio, that is, ministers when we get office, since now 25 ministries we get. But Oga Presido, in infinite wisdom, and as the papa of the nation, he don't look everything down. We get junior ministers, as some people they talk based on hierarchy, and we get people when we say they sit down chim for the office as the senior ministers. As everything they like this now, every ministry don't they set. The ones when Oga Presido talk saying go collapse, he don't collapse them into one. And the one when he talk saying go scrap, he don't scrap and come out. Sharply, we will just give roll call of all the people when we say there be ministers today and the office when then they occupy. Nkubi, you go start.
Yes, we get Oga Rotimi Amechi, where they represent Rivers State, and then hand over the issue of that is the Ministry of ensure our transportation level say it dey in order. People fit at least move about. If na aviation, if na road, if na rail, if na water, make sure say you do it. You run this ministry where so that people go feed do it. Go feed they get easy transportation level. Oga Rotimi Amechi be the Minister of Transportation, and then we can also look at Oga Chris Ngige. They carry under big portfolio. Give that one as well. Oga Chris Ngige they represent Anambra State, and they carry the Ministry of Labor and employment. In go ensure say at least the issue that has to do with labor issue, that has to do with employment, at least to look for a way to do it and to create a job and all that. They carry that responsibility. Give Oga Chris Ngige. Then Oga Kyle Defayemi, where they represent Ekiti State, they carry the Ministry of Solid Minerals. Hand over to and say, you, Oga Fayemi, we know say you go fit handle this ministry well. Ensure that you handle it very, very well. Then from Oga Kayode Fayemi, make we go to the former governor of Lagos State, and that is two-term governor of Lagos State, Oga Babatunde Fashola. They can carry the Ministry of Power, Works, and Housing. Match together, give am say, we believe in you. You are capable enough to handle this job. We don't see your work for Lagos, and for that reason, ensure that this ministry you do on well, and you ensure you bring result. Then from Oga Babatunde Fashola, they will go enter to Abdurrahman and Dambaza. They represent Kano State. They give am the Ministry of Interior. From there, we can go straight to Aisha Al Hassan, where they represent Taraba State. They carry the Ministry of Women Affairs, and that portfolio give you say, yes, we know you're a very strong woman. You are strong, and we know say when it comes to women issue, for you to even get the liver to do it in, to say they do it in, you contest. We believe in you, and we'll know say this ministry you go fit handle them well. From there we can go to Ebonyi State, and who they represent Ebonyi State. They can carry the Ministry of Science and Technology to ensure that at least our science and technology level will advance, at least we meet up with developed countries. We don't also create record when it comes to science and technology. We can also carry and enter finance. We get to do with our economy. We get to do with how they spend money. We get to do with everything about where they define a country. That is Ministry of Finance. They can carry and give Kemi Adeosun, who they represent Ogun State. Chukudi, make you pick them up from there.
Still talking about women when sabi well, and when go do their work well. We go enter inside Sokoto. Aisha Abubakar, now the Minister of State, Trade, Industry and Investment. And she na technocrat and international banker, and na the first ever female minister representing Sokoto State. So this one day clear say we don't make history with this appointment. We also get Khadija Ibrahim from Yobe, and she be the Minister of State, Foreign Affairs, and na the former Commissioner for Transport and Energy between 2004 and 2007. And when it comes to health matter, we get Isaac Adewale, and he be the outgoing Vice Chancellor of the University of Ibadan. And he go sit down as the Minister for Health. When we talk about communication, we get Adebayo Shitu, and he they represent Oyo State. Now the former Commissioner for Information, Culture and Tourism, and the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice for inside Oyo State. We get Oga Claudius Daramola from Ondo State. He be the Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs. He be Professor of Sociology of Education, and he don't sit down on top of some very important posts when we say you need to think well to they do what you they do. We get Oga Ibrahim Jibril from Nasarawa. He be the Minister of State for the Environment. 30 years of working experience, and out of these 30 years, 25 years in spent as land officer for inside the administration for FCT Abuja. And we get Abubakar Buhari for Niger State. Everybody remember say Oga Abubakar Buhari na person when we say after our president check in list finish, in can see say Oga Ibeto na from Niger, in go comot am, use Oga Abubakar Buhari replace am. And Abubakar Buhari na experienced politician and businessman. And if we talk about parliament, he get plenty experience because he be the former chief whip of the house from 1999 to 2007. That one plenty. We go enter the Ministry of State, Labor and Employment. And the person will go oversee that ministry. Now the person will come from Kogi State, and his name is James Ocholi. He be from Kogi State and a senior advocate of Nigeria with proven track record. That is to say, he don't go court where we go stand and face plenty case them and come out tops. When it comes to information, we get Alhaji Lai Mohammed. He come from Kwara State. Everybody knows Alhaji Lai Mohammed. When it comes to talk, he don't handle plenty position. As he be saying, the National Publicity Secretary of the All Progressives Congress. And we don't talk and say justice, fairness and equity. They're very, very important. Now, why Oga President can't look finish, can't talk say, he go give person when we say now legal practitioner, and person when we say he know well say when it come to they give advice about justice, he don't try well. Oga Abubakar Malami from Kebbi State, now he go be the Minister of Justice, and Oga Abubakar Malami from Kebbi when the time when we say we get CPC, when our Oga Presido now being run under that platform, now they give am legal advice. Make we top am up with Oga Hadi Sirika from Katsina State. He be the Minister of State for Aviation. He na former pilot and former senator from Kaduna North Senatorial District between 2011 and 2015. Nkubi.
Yes, we also can go straight to Imo State, where they carry the portfolio of the Ministry of State for Education, carry give Anthony Onwuka, will be former VC, that is vice, former VC for Imo State University. From there, we will go Abia State, where they carry the portfolio of that is industry, trade, and investment, carry Sonchem Okechukwu Enelama. From Abia State, they carry that ministry, hand over to Ram. And then we can also here say, for Enugu State, that is the person they represent Enugu, they carry the ministry of Geoffrey, that is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Sonch Oga Geoffrey Onyama. And then from there, we could also talk, say, they can also carry the Ministry of State for Labor, carry Sonch Madam Zainab Ahmed, we come from Kaduna State. We can also here say, okay, Zainab Ahmed now state for budget, while that of labor now James Ochogowe Chukudi don't mention. We can also here say the Oga Mustafa Shehuri, they carry the Minister of State for Power, hand over to Ram. Chukudi, I don't know whether it still remains.
When we talk about the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, one very, very important ministry, we say people they chook eye, they talk, say, it be like saying now Oga Chiwike Rotimi Amechi, I ain't go oversee him. Oga President come look say, no, I have other plans because my plan is a good plan for Nigeria. He can carry and give Usani Uguru when come from Cross River State. And Oga Usani Uguru, na person when we say, he don't work with plenty young people them. And even for Cross River State, he be one-time commissioner for youth and sports inside the state. When we also talk about health, everybody knows that the thing they're very, very important. Now, why Oga President come look say we need to get Minister of State when go support the minister so that two of them go collaborate and move this our health sector forward. He can give them to Dr. Osage Ehanire from Edo State. And Oga Osage, na person when we say he be surgeon when then train well for inside Obodo Germany. So if he closing eyes, begin to even perform operation. But we believe that if he do it for Nigeria here, he go open his eyes. When we talk about the oil sector, it is very, very important. Say make we note, say Oga President, they very, very passionate about this sector because if we check and where we're from, when Nigeria don't even gain independence, if you check the pattern of the way when our economy don't go, now it be the live wire of the account of our country. And because of the way we say, it be like say somehow we never manage and where it can't be like say K-leg they enter the system. Oga President don't talk say he don't carry warm water with soap, wash in eye, use white hanky, dab in face, come wear in recommended glass back, he go they look the sector. And the person when we say go work with them for that sector, now Oga Ibe Kachiku from Delta State, he go be the Minister of State for Petroleum. And right about now, everybody knows that I be the Managing Director of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, NNPC. We just highlight all of these people when we say yesterday they stand before Oga Presido, then swear say they go work with Oga Presido to move this our country forward. But plenty Nigerians don't look and say, it be like say somehow, waiting with the project based on say with the look say now this person go occupy this position, he no occupy him. Shall we sure say this other person when go do this position, he go do and where. I go give one very good example. The person when we say when it come to sports for inside Obodo Nigeria and the youth them, Oga Solomon Dalong. Some people come and talk say Oga Solomon Dalong say in record, say he be like, they even give a ball making race. Say he no even feel race 5. Say person when no fit raise ball 5 times, I ain't go be Minister of Sports and anything we get to do with youth development for inside Obodo Nigeria. But some other people don't come and come say no be by raising ball. Say those when don't raise the ball, waiting they don't do. Those when don't jump over the fence, say they won't do javelin and everything, waiting they don't do. Say now by the sense when you carry come enter inside the ministry and the fact say Oga President go they watch say I want to see waiting everybody they do. It go make everybody ginger well. And we as Nigerians 160 million strong people with one voice make we open our mouth they talk say make these ministers them do wetin dem suppose do, make we put them on their toes so that they go work with Oga Presido to move this our country forward.
Yes, now be the major thing. Make we work with our Oga Presido so that we go fit move this country forward. But Chukwudi is still on the Ministry of Sports. Oga Dalong wey be say they carry this particular ministry give. I know say a lot of Nigerians don't they even talk. Even when the list first come out, Nigerians they ask, okay, we will be say we will carry the issue of this election for head, and we call the same ministers. Why will never say at least? Why will not even say one particular youth or one young person at least make even handle one portfolio? But if at some point we call the fees, okay, even if not the smallest portfolio, the smallest portfolio, like the Ministry of Sports, and we could even see somebody they gingered to handle that kind of position. But then, now Oga Muhammad Buhari will be our president. Now he know wetin he see, where he take do it, we take appoint this one. We also believe in him. I will give that faith in him. See, these people where he don't do it, where he don't bring us saying go be where he go work with. We believe say yes. In the end, we will see result eventually, because now waiting we do it, we they pray for, and now waiting we they seek for. And then the major thing we will expect now, make we they anticipate. Okay, waiting be those things we will need to look out for. But before we go enter into the major things we would expect from our ministers, we could also talk, say, Oga Presido merged some ministries. That is, we feel say yes, going by the fact, say, our economy at this point in time, we get as it be, and going by the fact, say, APC will be the ruling party right now, promise say they will do it, instead they will try save costs, they will try at least bring down this thing, slash down offices, so at least we go feel save money, and they don't make that move by doing waiting, but at least reducing the ministries, they can't match some. Can also say, okay, this ministry and this particular ministry, now almost the same responsibility then they play. For that reason, make we match them so that at least we go fit save money. And then make we also look the ministries where Oga Muhammad Buhari merge. For instance, formerly, we know say, okay, for instance, transport, Ministry of Transport be there on its own. I will also know say Ministry of Aviation also there is on its own. But right about now, here say they don't merge these two ministries, come make them ministries of that is transport and aviation. They don't merge these two together. We also did very aware, say, the Ministry of Interior, say they don't merge Interior and then Police Affairs also together. And they can also join Internal Affairs, join. So that these ones then will be ministers. There will just be one minister on their, one ministry on their own. So there are also other ministries that they merge together. For instance, Information and National Orientation, as well as Culture and Tourism. They don't merge them to one ministry. Ministry of Information and Culture. We also know, say, the Ministry of Urban Development, they don't scrap them off, and now we don't get now it do under works and housing. So you see, now that same merge where they talk about, at least so that we go fit do it, we go fit save costs and also know as we go fit take move forward. So that now make we just anticipate what will happen forth as we don't see this merging.
And it's very important to note, say, one of the reasons why EB say our Oga Presido been talk, say we need to collapse some of these ministries, can repackage them so that they go do greater efficiency. And because of the fact, say, if we really want to see the work of government, we don't need to duplicate plenty functions. Because if we get one particular ministry, when it be like, say, the work when they do, it just be like say another one they do them. But sake of say, we just need to put people there, they go do them. Oga Presido been don't check all the papers, can see say, okay, if we fit say, okay, all these ones now, when they do the same work, make all of una pool resources, can do the work together under one umbrella, it go good to move this our country forward. It go there, okay. Right about now, we get 36 ministers. At some point, we get 42. If we check plus or minus, we don't see reduction by 6. That one, I say, we don't, or at least we don't feel save cost. Now, we don't get 25 ministries. 17 permanent secretaries don't go. 18 don't come inside. So it just be like Oga Presido, they inject fresh blood into the system. And now we don't get 25. It go dey very, very easy for all of us to take fit watch them. But one thing we need to do, and one thing government need to do now to make sure, say, everybody understand the workings of this ministry them. Make people know, say, okay, oh, now this kind of work, gone. This ministry, they do. Make it not be like, say, the ministry go leave the work when they're supposed to do, they do another person work. So that if they don't do the work when they're supposed to, Nigerians go call them, tell them, say, And now this one I suppose they do. Why not can they do this other one so that we go to see their result? And if maybe every quarter, every three months, we'll carry our biro, just like the way when we say this organization, this organization, carry they look our governors, them they see say okay, oh, on top of these parameters, payment of salary, leadership by example, security, and the rest of them, we go use that and they score una. We go use that and begin they score these our ministries because we know one situation where we say minister go they occupy one particular position. And it could just be like, say, he just did there, saying they there, and they hide under the fact, say, our Oga talk, say, we could do like this. We are getting there, we are getting there. We don't want we are getting there. We never even want to get there. We want to take step so that we go see, say, yes, so over the next 1 year, over the next 2 years, maybe at the expiration of our president first tenure, we go beat our chest, talk, say, yes, we don't achieve something. Whether we like them or not, it's very important make we note, say, we don't see progress for all of these our ministries them. It gets some things when we say with the experience before, some kind of administrative bottlenecks. I go speak English. When they make them be like say it's difficult for ministers to do what they're supposed to do, or some ministers get excessive powers when we say that they do, and it be like say nobody they check them. Now we don't see the political will of the leadership to look say okay, we won't see what this minister they do. Minister come and answer questions. Minister come and tell us what you want to do, so that Nigerians will be confident. They go beat their chest say yes, these are our ministers. Them they get the right thing and they know what thing they want to do. And I believe say if we start small. I won't speak Chinese language, but I don't know whether you go understand.
No.
Make I speak am.
No.
Na Mandarin. Jete, we do what? Jete, we catch a monkey. You know what that thing mean? Now small. Now they use the catch waiting.
Which person language
monkey.
you call am?
You know, you see
No. Tell me now. You call am say Chinese language. Which way jete now you dey catch monkey?
English you score F.
Jete.
Even Igbo when you even manage when you supposed to even be the best student, you score F. You see yourself.
I will not take that insult from you.
This one shows say I dey travel well. Yesterday when you dey they run your mouth say you have gone to
Nigerians.
Jete, you catch a what? Repeat after me. Jete, you catch a what?
I follow you confuse Nigerians. I'm not going to join you say I dey confuse Nigerians.
Okay, what do you mean?
Jete. Maybe you corner that your jete from gentle. That's what it means. Okay, monkey when you mention put monkey is an English name. So how it take relates with
I say jete, you don't understand. You want me to call monkey for Chinese language? When you don't feel understand jete, you don't use scope, don't lose say gentle. You see?
Jete.
I dey travel.
I wish a Chinese person just call us to tell us so that Chukudi. What no say? Let me not go that far. Let me not even say. May I not expose them before Nigerians because if I start to talk everything about you don't go like.
What do you want to talk? Say jete,
if
no
I
correct.
Start to talk
no, you want to say jete, no correct.
We go check our dictionary. We go check Chinese dictionary as a matter of fact.
I'll
go even translate and check our jete, and you go give me the real spelling of jete.
You know the one way. You don't know jete. You don't know
You
jete.
don't say that gentle you won't mention.
Quickly, our people went there for house. Jete, we go rush, enter this break. Now,
no, they talk mention jete here. Make we go for break. Now you go talk. Let us go for this break. But don't call they mention jete.
But are we not going to go to the break?
Let us go for the break, I beg. My Nigerians now break.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.